So welcome once again students in the online classes presented by Chandra Public School, Mau. I am Shailesh Kumar Yadav and today I am going to explain the question number 5th of exercise 2.4. Here it is the question, suppose mother's present age is 6 times suppose present age. Suppose age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present ages? So this question is based on the age of the two person. Here relation is given in the suppose mother's present age and suppose present age. So here I will take the variable for the suppose present age. So here you will write let suppose present age equal to x years. So here I have taken the variable x for the age of suppose. Now here it is given that suppose mother's present age is 6 times the suppose present age. It means suppose mother's present age equal to, according to the condition, that will be 6 times the suppose present age. So it will be 6 into x, 6x. Now it is given that suppose age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. So here you will write suppose age 5 years from now. So here suppose age 5 years from now, that is equal to, if present age of the suppose is x years, so what will be the age after 6 years? Sorry, it is given suppose present age from now after 5 years. So suppose age 5 years from now will be x plus 5. After 5 years suppose age will be x plus 5. Now here condition is given according to question. Suppose age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. So according to the question, whatever the age of suppose will be after 5 years, that is equal to 1/3. It means 1/3 of suppose mother's present age. So what is the suppose mother present age? 6x. So that is x plus 5 equal to 1/3 into 6x. Here 3 2 is 6. So x plus 5 equal to 2x. Now transfer that x in the right side. So 5 equal to 2x minus x. 2x minus x, that is equal to x. It means x equal to 5. So here you got the value of x, that is 5. In the question it is asked that what is their present ages. So x is the present age of suppose. So here you will write suppose present age equal to x years. It means that is 5 years. And now suppose mother's present age. Suppose mother's present age, that is given. Suppose mother's present age equal to 6x. So that is equal to 6x. Yeah, it can be written as 6 into 5. X value is 5. So that is equal to 30 years. So it is the complete solution of the question number 5. So kindly write down the solution. Now students, here it is the question number 6. There is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Mahole village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. At the rate rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimension of the plot? Dimension, here you need to find dimension, means you need to find the length and breadth of the plot. So here relation is given in the length and breadth, that is the ratio 11:4. So here I will take let length of rectangular plot it is equal to 11x. 11:4 is given, so 11x will be the length and 4x will be the width. and so breadth of rectangular plot equal to 4x. Now Gram Panchayat is going to make the fence all around the plot. So what will be the total length of the fence will be there, that is up to its perimeter. So here you will find the perimeter of a rectangular plot. Perimeter of rectangular plot. It is the rectangular plot, so formula will be 2 into L plus B, length plus breadth. It means 2 into length is 11x plus breadth is 4x. It is equal to 2 into 11x plus 4x, 15x. Yeah, it can be written as it is equal to 30x. So it is the 30x, you can say that meter. And here it is 11x and 4x, that are the length and breadth. So that is the perimeter. Now it is given that the rate of the fencing is rupees 100 per meter. It means ki 100 meter cost is rupees 100, and what is the total perimeter 30x. It means the length of the fence will be 30x. Then what will be the cost of that fencing? That will be 30x into 100. So total cost for fencing, that is equal to 100 rupees per meter. So 100 into, and total fencing perimeter is, that is 30x, so that will be 30x. It is equal to 3000x. It will be rupees 3000x. Now in the question it is given that total cost was rupees 75,000. It means ki that rupees 3000x, it is the total cost, so it will be equal to 75,000. So according to question, 3000x equal to 75,000. Then x equal to 75,000 divided by 3000. So that 30 will be cancelled, and 75 upon 3 equal to 25. So it is x value is 25. Now you need to find the dimension. It means you need to find the length and breadth. So length equal to, that is here 11x, so it will be 11x, 11 into 25, that is equal to 25 1 25, 25 1 25, and 2 27. It will be 275 meter. And breadth equal to 4x, so it will be 4 into 25, that is equal to 100 meter. So it is the complete solution. You need to find the dimension of the rectangular plot. It means you need to find the length and width. So that is the length and width of the rectangular plot.